A lot of people don't realize that just by making $200 a day, you can really change your life. I know you're used to seeing a lot of traders make 10, 20, 30, sometimes $100,000 per trading session or payout. But the truth is, you don't really need all that much. My name's Foreign, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made $200 in about 3 minutes. So without any further ado, let's dive into today's video. There comes a time where after you've been trading for so long, I don't want to see you become one with the market, but you kind of really understand how the market moves and breathes. When I first started trading indices, I remember getting wiped out every day at around 9:30, not understanding what was going on. Fast forward to a couple years later, and here I am. I'm able to enter the market not just at a precise spot, but I really know when the market is about to make a major move. And I really count that as a blessing. Now, if you notice, I'm not going for crazy 20K trades or 5K trades. I'm just going for $200 a day. Why? I want to show you guys that you don't need that much. Once you have a simple strategy that's profitable, the rest is history. Which brings us to the trade breakdown. So let me go ahead and show you exactly what I was looking at before I entered into the trade. All right, so here we are on the US 30 chart, and I'm going to explain to you guys what I was looking at. As you can see from the 1 hour, we were in a bullish trend. Very simple to see. However, at this point, when we got to this level right here, you can see right here that price was breaking structure. Now, you can look at areas like this and say price was giving us a little bit of like lower highs and lower lows over here. But I look at swing points, which are major turning points in the market. And I could see that when price really broke this level, that's when I considered it a bit of a market structure shift, break of structure, all that stuff. However, price had actually broken down below, but then after breaking down to this side, broke above. So this made me realize that even if price is eventually going to retrace and then come back down, I can catch this move from here to here. That's all I need. Remember, guys, I'm a scalper. I don't need to catch the whole move. I don't need to catch a 1 to 20 or swing the trade. I just need a piece of the pie. So I started going down to my 15 to see my point of interest. You can see right where we're at. There's a couple things here. There's a gap that was, created on the bearish side and even one on the bullish side, which tells me this area has some significance or volume that could be, potentially significant or important when it's time for us to take the trade. So I simply went down to the 1 minute and just started waiting for my entry. Price action is a big part of the way that I trade. If you guys have been listening to me, I've been saying over and over and over that trading comes down to 3 things: market direction, which is trend; market structure, which is price action; and a point of interest. By the way, I have a free PDF on that. So if you want that, just comment money in the comment section below and I'll send it to you right away. All right. So here we are. Price is making its way down around here. You can see that price is in this point of interest and it's not really breaking structure just yet. Now, at this point, I started to notice that price is moving with a bit of wicks towards the upside, which is telling me price wants to go up, but it's being rejected. Now, when we get to this point, I start noticing something interesting. We get a candle right here that starts to show me some promise. And right when we got to this level, the way price was struggling, you can see here, this is a bit of a doji. So the bulls and bears are struggling. I started to realize that at this point, we are about to get the volume to kick in. We're about to get structure breaking towards the upside. And I began to enter my trade. I believe it was around right here that I got into the trade, something like that. And I simply just looked for a 1 to 2, as you guys saw. So what ended up happening is that price started breaking towards the upside with some volume. And I knew when I saw this, we were good to go. Now, the next candle right after that pushes down. Sometimes it can be scary, obviously. But as you guys saw, when price tapped here, the next candle, the rest was history. All right. And as you guys can see, this trade ended up being a banger. And I'm not lying to you. You can ask any of the members in the VIP program. We see these trades every single day. We don't always hold because we have specific rules for holding our trades to 1 to 8s and so on and so forth. But the point is, you don't even need all of that. Just a 1 to 2 can help you change your life. If you're more interested in how you can trade like this, you're welcome to hit me up or check out my services, which will be linked in the description below. With that being said, thank you guys so much for watching. Happy trading, everybody. Love, peace, and grease. And I'll see you on the next one.